Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Anjali. If you have been following me for a while, you know I recently shared a hair care routine. That video received so much love. Thank you so much for that. If you haven't seen it, go and see that video first. So many of you were asking me that what oil I used in the video, how I made it. Can you show us the recipe? So today I'm finally sharing it with you guys. This is my homemade hair growth oil, the oil that I have been using to reduce hair fall, improve thickness and bring shine back to my hair. No chemical, no expensive serums, just pure natural ingredients. Let me show you what all you need to make this oil at home. Methi, kalonji, curry leaves, aloe vera, थोड़ा सा onion and then base के लिए coconut oil. I take a clean pan and then I add everything together. Like first I add coconut oil and then I add everything together, like all the ingredients together. You don't need to add it like separately. So I'm making a small quantity because I have oil left which I made earlier. If you are making in large quantity, you can increase quantity of every ingredients accordingly. Keep the flame very low. This is very important so the nutrients don't get destroyed. You will see the oil slowly changing color. This means all the goodness is being infused into the oil. Let it cook gently until the ingredients turn slightly dark and the oil smells rich and herbal. Then I turn off the flame and let it cool completely. Once it completely cools down, strain all the oil with the help of strainer and store it in a glass bottle or glass jar or something like that. If you all are using a normal hair oil, just try to make this hair oil. This is very beneficial and you can store it till 1 month. 1 month is more than enough, but make sure to keep it in a cool place. It helped me a lot with my hair. It really helped me a lot. As you can see, I've tried a lot of experiment with my hair, like straightening, color, highlights, but still I can say that my hair is quite good because of this hair oil. Now it's time to apply oil. First you need to brush your hair with wooden comb. I always recommend use a wooden comb. It's very good for scalp. Take at least 2 to 3 minutes to detangle your hair. I start applying hair from my roots. Though I have oily scalp, still I apply hair on my roots. So I have dry ends, not that much dry, but because of treatment it gets little dry. So I never forget to apply oil on my length. Always apply hair oil on your length. Especially if you have dry ends or frizzy hair, like frizzy length, so please apply hair oil on your length also. Then I take Garnier's scalp massager and I massage my scalp at least for 5 minutes. Sometime it gets 10 minutes. It's really important and it's really satisfying, guys. Start using scalp massager. If you don't have scalp massager, your finger is best massager in the world. So use your finger. This is also, in fact, this is more satisfying. I leave it for like 1 or 2 hour, but sometime when I want to keep it overnight, I keep it overnight. It's on you. Like if you want to keep it 1 hour or 2 hour before hair wash, you can keep it. But sometime you need to keep it overnight. It's good for hair growth. I like to make a braid after oiling. It's like so that everybody knows that you have applied hair oil. So this was my complete homemade hair growth oil recipe. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and please let me know in the comment section who's going to make this hair oil at your home, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.